have food all over my face.
You get tackled.
Dude, that cop should be on the football team, dog. You see him break that nigga's back.
Are you hype? How hype are you? 1 through 10.
10, 12.
You're at a 10. How about you?
About a 12.
You're at about a 12.
The mushrooms in here?
There's no much.
How's it?
My dad's trying to be a parent. My dad is the cool one. Let's be real here.
I've been being a horrible vlogger. Humbug.
Mm-hmm.
Horrendous. How's the weather today?
A1.
Gorgina. It's 60 degrees and partly sunny. No wind. It's like perfect. Humbug. We're gonna go have dinner with Jesse and Liz. They're cooking for us. Right, Bug?
Yeah.
Best part about it?
We ain't gotta clean up.
Junior's not here.
Yeah, we ain't gotta clean up.
Both of those things. We don't have to clean and Junior's not here, so life. Look what I found, Bug.
Got it?
Yeah.
What is it called again?
Halo top.
Oh, Hilltop.
How am I supposed to choose? Oh my god.
So there's hail in it, real hail. Look at that. Dude, this is hail out here, bro.
I'm vlogging. Steve's taking me to a what? Vegan street fair. And he's eating before we go to make sure that he's not hungry if he hates everything, he said.
Yep.
What have we been doing mostly? Working? We're working more now. Are we more settled in?
Yeah.
We're more settled in.
Fuck, hot.
That's why we haven't been vlogging, because we've been doing stuff, but like, kind of not really, right?
Yeah. Keep it to ourselves.
Keep it to ourselves.
Don't worry.
But yeah, I'm excited. I'm hungry, so I want food.